You're in luck! This step-by-step guide will show you how to make up to $5,000 a month by spending just 10 minutes daily on Pinterest. Whether you are a beginner or looking to up your Pinterest game, this guide is for you. Let's dive in and unlock the secret to Pinterest riches. Step 1. Understand the potential of Pinterest. Pinterest boasts over 500 million active users monthly, with 76% being women. This makes it a highly visual platform perfect for promoting aesthetically pleasing projects. Pinterest users are typically looking for inspiration and ideas, making them more likely to engage with and purchase products they discover on the platform, making it ideal for affiliate marketing. Step 2. Step up your Pinterest account. If you don't have a Pinterest account, create one or convert your existing account to a business account for valuable analytics and promotional tools. Focus on one niche, whether it's a home decor, fashion, or gardening, to build a consistent brand image. Use relevant keywords in your profile name and bio to make your account searchable. Create boards specific to your niche with keyword-rich titles. Step 3. Find your niche and affiliate programs. Use trends.pinterest.com to identify trending topics. Aim for niches with visually appealing content such as fashion, skincare, or home decor. Search for affiliate programs offering high commissions and products that resonate with your audience. Sign up for at least 5 affiliate programs and select popular high-ticket items to promote. Step 4. Create engaging pins. Use Canva to create stunning, optimized pins. Focus on different styles, combining related products into one pin, and repurposing viral content from other platforms. Optimize your pins with catchy titles, descriptions, and relevant keywords. Use high-quality images and incorporate text overlays to make them more engaging. Step 5. Post constantly and strategically. Creating a post schedule, aiming to post at least 3 to 6 pins per day. Use scheduling tools like Tailwind to plan and automate your posts. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Join group boards in your niches to expand your reach and use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Tailor your content to seasonal trends and share your Pinterest pins on other social media platforms. Step 6. Analyze and optimize. Use Pinterest analytics to track which pins are performing best. Focus on replicating the success of high-performing pins by analyzing what worked. Experiment with different types of content and posting times. Continuously refine your strategy based on the insight from your analytics. Study successful Pinterest accounts in your niche and adapt their effective tactics. Step 7. Monetize your efforts. Use affiliate marketing by ensuring each pin links to a product page where you can earn a commission. Create detailed blog posts or product reviews and link to them from your pins. As your account grows, negotiate sponsored pins that align with your niche and audience. Use Pinterest to drive traffic to your e-commerce site or promote your digital products like ebooks or courses. Highlight your experience if you offer coaching, consulting, or design services. Step 8. Stay updated and keep learning. Pinterest is constantly evolving. Follow Pinterest's blog and industry sources to stay updated with the latest features and trends. Join Pinterest-related forums and communities. Invest in courses and books, and attend webinars and workshops. Experiment with new features like idea pins and shopping pins. Connect with other Pinterest marketers to share insights and strategies. Congratulations! You are now equipped to turn your Pinterest addiction into a profitable side hustle. Keep experimenting, stay patient, and those commissions will start rolling in. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips, because we are the best channel about crypto investments, shares, and hustlings. See you!